Good morning, children. Last 5 videos we have to finish science 1 measurement. I think you know about that. What is the science 1, science 2? Science 1 have to study it. Science 1 means physical science. We have studied about physics and chemistry. Science 2 biological science. Biological science means studied about plants and animals. So last 5 videos we have to finish the physical science first lesson measurement. Next, biological science first lesson. I'm already told what is biological science. It is studied about the plants and animals. That's why see biological science first lesson, reproduction and modification in plants. Okay, reproduction and modification in plants. See this pollination in plant. This is self pollination, cross pollination. Okay, this is structure of tree. Next, what is a learning objective in this lesson? To get clear idea how a flower becomes a fruit with a seed through pollination and fertilization. To acquire knowledge about the pollination and pollinators. Okay, to differentiate self-pollination and cross-pollination in a plant. To know the modification of root, stems and leaves. To understand how these modifications are useful to animal and human being. These are all learning objectives from this lesson. Okay. Next one, introduction from this lesson. See, for that lesson. See, already we know that flowering plants have root, stem and leaves. Already you know that plants have means flowering plants have root, stem and leaves. They are called vegetative organs. Listen, what are all vegetative organs? Root, stems and leaves. What are root, stems and leaves? They are called vegetative organ. Next, flowers, fruits and seeds in a plant are called reproductive organ. Listen. See, these two organ is present in one plant. See, what are all? Root, stems and leaves. They are called vegetative organ. Flowers, fruits and seeds in a plant are called reproductive organ. Okay. In the earlier classes, we have seen the new plant can be grow from the seed. In this lesson, we are going to know about the how a flower change itself into fruit and the modification of root, stems and leaf of a plant. Okay, ma'am. I give one activity. What is the for activity? Aim. What is the activity of the aim? Aim. To raise a new generation of plant from a watermelon and potato. Okay, to raise a new plant from where? Watermelon and potato. Next, material required. What are all material? 2 pot with soil. 2 pots. Potato, watermelon seeds and water. Procedure. How do you do that? Fill both pots with soil mixed with a compost or manure. I think you know that what is the meaning of compost. See, manure. Compost also. Take young potato. Okay, you take young potato. Ensure that it is not dried up and the skin still looks fresh. Okay, well, you must take a fresh potato. Bury a potato in one pot. This is not pot. Okay, we have to already told no. You take 2 pots. So one pot, buried a potato in a one pot. Sow the watermelon seeds in another pot. Sow means what? தூவுறது. ஓகேவா, தூவுறது அல்லது விதைக்கிறது, ஊன்றது. மண்ணில் ஊன்ற சொல்கிறோம் இல்லையா, அது ஒன்று. தூவுறது இல்லை விதைக்கிறது. So a watermelon seeds in another pot. Pour water regularly and maintain the plant. Pour water regularly and maintain the plant. Observation. Okay. What is observations? After a few days, we can see a single plant arising from a buried potato. After a few days, we can see single plant. We can see single plant arising from a buried potato. Plants arises. See, this is plants. Plants arise from the pot sowed the watermelon seeds. Each seed produces a plant. Okay. See, inference. Watermelon plants were produced from seeds. You watermelons plants will come means, that wine water you sow the seeds, so it arises the new plant. But a potato, how do you arise the leaves, arise the plant? That only. Potato plant is not from seed. You know, potato plant is not from seed, but from the stem tuber. That is, how potato plants arise from the stem tube, that is vegetative part. Already two part is present in there, no? What are root, stem and leaves, no? That also vegetative part. Vegetative part landa adu vandirukku. Seeds is not only the source of the new generation. Seeds only. சீட்ஸில் இருந்து தான் நியூ ஜெனரேஷன் வரும், புது செடியெல்லாம் வரணும்ல அவசியம் இல்லை. ஓகேவா? ஈவன் வெஜிடேட்டிவ் பார்ட் ஆஃப் எ பிளான்ட் கேன் ஆல்சோ பி யூஸ்டு டு ப்ரொடியூஸ் எ நியூ பிளான்ட். ஈவன் வெஜிடேட்டிவ் பார்ட்டால் விச் ஒன்? ரூட், ஸ்டெம் அண்ட் லீவ்ஸ். அது கூட என்ன பண்ணும்? புதிய பிளான்ட்டை உருவாக்க முடியும். ஓகேவா? யூ கேன் அண்டர்ஸ்டாண்ட். நெக்ஸ்ட், see that picture. This is coconut, this is seeds. Trees, this plant arising from seed, this plant arising from this stem. See, give some questions. You find out which one seed, stem cutting and layer out. Mango, seed. Potato, stem. Banana, stem. Tamarind, seed. Rose, I think stem and cutting. See, next you have find out this is mustard. Mustard means, you know, kadugu. Kadugu, how do you reproduce it? Mustard, coriander, moringa, pumpkin, radish. This is what are reproductive organ. Seed, stem, cutting. This is what layering. This is C. This is C. Layering. Okay. Are you visible? Yes. This also. You must find out this question also. Okay. I hope understood. I hope you are understood this topic. Next class, I will take the lesson reproduction. Okay, ma'am. Tomorrow I will meet. Thank you, children.